When you connect to the internet, you are at risk of getting malicious files or having your data accessed by others. That's why it's important to have a firewall installed. To activate the firewall, go to the control panel, click on Windows Firewall icon. Turn on the firewall by clicking on the button. Once you have this on, it should automatically turn on the firewall for all your internet connections. You can check this by going to the control panel, click on Network Connections. This will show all your connections to the internet, and it will say Firewalled. Right-click on Connection, then select Properties. Open the Advanced tab and click on Settings. Make sure that the button is on.